Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete your recently played music on Amazon Music. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate the Amazon Music website and remove a playlist from your library. The process is straightforward and should take only a few minutes to complete, ensuring that your Amazon Music account looks exactly how you want it to. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon Music website. Type music.amazon.com into your address bar to access the platform. Once the website has loaded, you will notice a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you access your favorite music quickly. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make it easier to move through the next steps. After you have arrived at music.amazon.com, look for the option labeled Library. The library is where all your saved music, playlists, and recently played songs are organized. Clicking on the library will open a new section that displays all the music content associated with your account. This organized view is particularly helpful when you want to quickly locate a specific playlist or album. Next, turn your focus to the playlist section within your library. Playlists offer a great way to group your favorite tracks, and the process of editing or deleting them is just as intuitive as browsing them. Once you click on the playlist option, you should see a list of all the playlists that you have created or saved over time. This step is essential because it allows you to review everything at a glance, which ensures you are working with the correct playlist that contains your recently played music. From here, choose the specific playlist you wish to remove. It is important to be careful during this selection process, so make sure that you are selecting the playlist that you want to delete, and that includes the music you no longer wish to keep in your account history. Once you have identified the appropriate playlist, click on its name to open it. The playlist view will present you with the detailed list of songs, and here you can double check that it indeed is the one you want to remove. Within the selected playlist, locate the three-dot icon, often referred to as the options menu. This icon is commonly used in many applications to indicate additional settings or actions related to the item you are viewing. Clicking the three-dot icon will display a set of available actions, and among these options, look for the one that allows you to delete the playlist. Lastly, click on the option to delete the playlist. Once you click this, you will likely be asked to confirm that you truly want to remove the playlist from your account. Confirm your decision if prompted, and the playlist will be permanently deleted from your list of saved content. This action will remove the recently played music stored in that particular playlist, helping you maintain a tidy account. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide on deleting a playlist on Amazon Music. By following these instructions, you should now have successfully removed the recently played music from your account. Enjoy your streamlined music library, and feel free to explore other features on Amazon Music to further customize your listening experience.